Welcome to this guided meditation journey towards self-healing. This meditation is designed to help you connect with your inner self and guide you through a profound healing journey, connecting you with your inner resources and the powerful potential for self-healing that resides within you. Let's begin. First, I want you to find a quiet location where you won't be interrupted for the duration of this meditation. Sit in a comfortable position, either on the floor in a cross-legged position or on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground in front of you. Rest your hands on your lap and allow your body to relax. Now, close your eyes gently, or if you prefer, you can keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale out through your mouth. Let's do that a few more times. Breathe in, and slowly breathe out. In and out. With every breath out, feel your whole body relaxing more and more. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, I want you to focus on the center of your chest, where your heart resides. This is the center of love, compassion, and healing within you. I want you to imagine a force pulling you towards this center, like a magnet. With every breath in, feel yourself being drawn closer to your heart center. And with every breath out, feel your body relaxing even more as you come closer and closer to your inner self. Take a few moments to focus on the sensation of being pulled towards your heart center. If any thoughts or distractions come up, gently acknowledge them and let them go, bringing your focus back to your breath and the center of your chest. I want you to imagine a beam of warm golden light emanating from your heart center and spreading around your body, like a protective shield. This light is a symbol of love, healing, and compassion for yourself and others. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply, I want you to focus on any areas of tension or discomfort in your body. Send this warm golden light towards those areas and feel them being soothed and relaxed by its healing energy. As this light spreads through your body, you feel a sense of peace and comfort washing over you. Any tension or negative emotions are being dissolved by this soothing light. Now, shift your focus to the crown of your head, where a bright orange light hovers above you. With every breath in, imagine this orange light entering your body and filling it with vibrant energy and positivity. Various shades of the color orange can be used to replenish and revitalize the physical body. It can also aid in stimulating creative or playful thinking, Visualize this light descending gently through your crown, filling your head with its energy. Feel the warmth of this healing light as it flows down your spine, spreading its healing energy throughout your body. Allow it to flow effortlessly through your arms, torso, legs, making its way all the way down your fingertips and toes. Take a moment to relax in the glow of this orange light, allowing it to permeate every cell and fiber of your being. Feel its healing energy wash over you, replenishing and rejuvenating you from within. If there is a specific area of your body that needs extra healing, focus your attention on that area and visualize the light bathing it in healing energy. Allow yourself to fully receive this gift of healing, embracing it with gratitude and openness. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow yourself to rest in this state of healing for a few moments longer, letting go of any remaining tension or discomfort. Slowly bring your attention back to your body and the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and wiggle your fingers and toes to bring sensation back to your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes and take in your surroundings. Take some time to reflect on how you feel after your meditation. Remember, you are a being of light and love, capable of infinite healing and transformation. Carry this awareness with you as you move through your day, knowing that you are always supported and guided by the universe.